Hello students, today we are going to discuss one more concept from sexual reproduction in flowering plants. The concept is structure of anther. Anther is a fertile part of stamen. Anther has a knob-like structure which usually consists of two lobes joined together by the connective tissue. Each lobe contains two thecae, which means anther is dithecous. Here thecae means chambers. Each lobe contains two chambers or thecae, hence the anther is dithecous. The thecae consist microsporangium. So let's observe clearly in the photograph. So this is a stamen. This is a stamen, male reproductive part of the flower. It consists anther and filament. So on this tip of the filament, anther appears as a knob. Now, if you want to see that chambers inside the anther, we need to cut the anther transversely. So when we cut the anther transversely, we can observe the image like this. So anther, transverse section of the anther. This anther consists lobe 1 and lobe 2. This is first lobe and this is second lobe. Each lobe has two chambers. This is chamber 1 and this is chamber 2. So total 4 chambers in an anther. Each chamber consists a microsporangium, and these two lobes, first and second lobe, both lobes are joined by a connective tissue which consists vascular bundle which supplies the nutrients to the anther lobes. Based on the number of microsporangia, anthers are different types. They are tetrasporangiate, bisporangiate, monosporangiate. So let's discuss each one. Tetrasporangiate anther. Anther consists of 4 microsporangia. So let's see the photograph. So this is a photograph of tetrasporangiate anther. So tetrasporangiate anther consists 2 lobes. So this is lobe 1 and this side is lobe 2. There are 2 lobes, lobe 1 and this is lobe 2. Each lobe has 2 chambers, 1 and 2 chambers in each lobe, and each chamber consists microsporangium. So this is microsporangium 1 and microsporangium 2, microsporangium 3, microsporangium 4. So the anther consists 4 sporangia, hence the anther is called tetrasporangiate. Example: most of the angiosperms consist this tetrasporangiate anther. Bisporangiate. Anther consists of 2 microsporangia. Let's see the photograph. Here this bisporangiate anther also having two lobes, lobe 1 and lobe 2. But the difference between tetra and bisporangiate is, in this bisporangiate anther lobe consists only one chamber, whereas in tetrasporangiate anther lobe consists two chambers. But here each lobe consists only one chamber. Each chamber consists one microsporangium. This is one, and second chamber consists second microsporangium. Hence, this anther is called bisporangiate. Example, Wolffia. Monosporangiate. Anther consists of only one microsporangium. And observe this diagram. So this is the anther, and it does not consist any lobes. So whole anther consists only one microsporangium. Hence, this type of anther is called monosporangiate. Example, Arcithobium. It is a small parasitic angiosperm. Types of anther fixation. Fixation is the mode or type of attachment of filament to the anther. There are different types of fixation of anther. They are basifixed, adinate, dorsifixed, versatile. Basifixed anther. The filament is attached to the base of the anther. So this is a stamen, and this stamen consists anther and filament. The tip of the filament consists the anther. This filament tip attaches to the base of the anther. Hence, this fixation is called as basifixed, and such anthers are called basifixed anther. Example, Brassica means mustard family. Adinate anther. The filament run throughout the length and become continuous with the connective. Such fixation is called adinate, and such anthers are called adinate anther. So here it is photograph. This is a stamen, again anther and filament. We can observe the difference between this and previous. The filament is continuous throughout the anther and become continuous with connective. Such type of fixation is called adinate. Example, Ranunculus mangolina. Dorsifixed. The filament is attached to the dorsal side of the anther. So here in this photograph, the anther is anther, and this filament is attached to the dorsal side of the anther. Example, Citrus. Versatile. The filament attaches in the middle of the connective, and the anther can swing freely on the tip of this filament. So in this, here the filament is attaches to the middle of the connective. So once remember the adenate anther. In that the filament continues through the anther and continues with the connective. Whereas in this versatile the filament is connects with connective and the remaining portion of the anther is free and it swing freely, nothing but float freely on the tip of the filament. Such type of fixation is called versatile and such anthers are called versatile anthers. Example, grasses. Thank you. We can discuss one more concept in the next part.